Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom font on PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PicsArt application on my mobile phone. And here I'm going to create new project on PicsArt. So I'm going to click on this plus icon. And then I'm going to select one of photo from my gallery. I'm going to choose, for example, this one, guys, and I'm going to add tags to this photo. If we want to add tags, we need to go to the text menu right here, and then you can enter your text here. I'm just going to enter this text. Alright, and then you can change the color if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And if you want to import custom font to PicsArt, you need to go to the font menu right here, and then you can see all fonts on PicsArt. And if you want to import your custom font to PicsArt, you can go to My Fonts and then select Add Fonts. Okay, and you can go to your device, and I'm going to go to my download album or download folder because I have just downloaded font from the internet. This is the font I have just downloaded, guys, and I'm going to add this font to PicsArt. Okay, this is the preview of the font. And as you can see, guys, that the custom font has been imported to PicsArt, and now the font has been applied to my text. Okay, basically you just need to go to see all fonts and then go to your fonts right here, select my fonts and add fonts. Click on add fonts again, and you can choose font from your device. I'm going to choose for instance this one as well. Okay, and this is the another font from my device, and now the font has been applied to this text. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add custom font on PicsArt mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye.